Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making air fryer grilled cheese. To make this easy recipe, all we need is bread, butter, and cheese. So let's take 2 slices of bread and we will spread them with butter. And now I will take a piece of cheese, a slice. Now note, cheese goes on the other side, so the buttered side is on the outside. And let's add the second slice. Again, the butter is on the outside. So butter on the outside and cheese is on the inside. And now we will put it in the air fryer basket. And let's set the temperature to 350 degrees. And set the air fryer time for 5 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Here's the grilled cheese. So it's browned well on top. Now we need to flip it so it browns on the bottom. So I'll take a spatula and flip the grilled cheese to the other side. And let's put it back on the air fryer and set the temperature to 350 degrees. And set the time to 2 minutes. Now grilled cheese is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious, perfectly brown grilled cheese. So easy to make on the air fryer. For a printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.